Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem is that your Microsoft Store is not working in your Windows 10 and 11, just like that. Microsoft Store is not working, so how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. First of all, you just have to just check that your internet connection is working properly. So just like I'm going to Wi-Fi and check that it's working or not. So make sure that it's properly working and have a strong Wi-Fi connection. And the second step is that run the Windows apps troubleshooters. Just going to troubleshoot and other troubleshooters. Just like that, going to settings, systems, and troubleshoots, and just find a troubleshoot, and just going to other troubleshoots, and just run the network and internets, and also run the programming capability, and you just run it. Both run it. After that, just going to the third step is that reset Microsoft Store cache. So just have to just press the Window plus R, just plus R, and just paste the prompt of type that one text of that one text. After hit the enter button, okay, and just wait it. It's gonna wait for one to finish and then store to reopen. It's gonna reopen it just like that. And wait for it. It's going to delete the cache. After that, just close it. And the step 4 is that repair or reset Microsoft Store. First of all, it is going to settings and apps. I'm gonna go to again direct app settings. I'm going to settings. I'm going to go to settings and apps section, and it's going to install apps. And the next step is that Microsoft Store and advanced options. Just find a Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store. Microsoft. If you don't find, don't worry. Just cross it. And the fifth step is the register Microsoft Store PowerShell method. Open Windows PowerShell admin section. Just press going to the icon of window, right click, and it's going to terminal admin. Just yes it. And the next step is that window PowerShell. Wait, I'm going to the window PowerShell just like this. Good. And just type this command and press enter. Just copy that command, copy it, and just paste that, and then enter it. So after that, check Windows update, make sure that it's using the updated version of the Windows. After that, you just have to reset your PC, and after that your problem gonna solve. So that's it the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.